This shit is cool and all, but good lord, your Vim theme is an eyesore, mate. How can you look at that? Well, because I have good eyes? Yeah, I have good eyes, I guess. I know, heavenly intellect with heavenly eyes. Yeah? I mean, seriously, if you cannot survive and handle this, you probably have the worst eyes in the world, man. Like theme and having yourself surviving it means that you have some kind of good eyes, you know, like me, you know. Yeah. Okay. What you're seeing right now is an app made with Raylib. This is an FPS game and a first-person shooter made with Raylib. Now, if you're coming from C or C++ or even Rust, I think you should probably already know what Raylib is. If you don't know, Raylib is a game engine or a game engine library made in C, particularly maybe C++, and it's a very powerful game engine too, a very light and powerful game engine. As you can see, this is an example of an FPS game in Raylib. So now, let me just close this. Now what I want to do is that I want to make an app using Raylib, okay? Now previously in my two previous videos, I have made an app using the GTK library, and that app is a calculator, right? Now, I want to do something different. I want to use my own standard vector implementation, and I want to make a visualizer and a simulation in Raylib. So, what I've done here, let me just open main.cpp, ui.hpp, and colors.hpp. So here are my templates. As you can see, I'm using a template right now. Is OBS taking my voice too loud? Probably yes. Let me just properties. That's okay. And okay, so as you can see here, I have done a lot of stuff. Not me actually. I just copied from my beautiful AI Claude, and yeah, this is a simple. This is gonna be my template for Raylib, and let's get started. So previously I've done something like this, you know. Let's do heap.hpp. So this is my vector reimplementation. Now I'm going to make a let's call it a visualizer or a simulation program, and I'm going to use Raylib. So let's do that. Let's do #include raylib.h. Okay, let me just open my documentation over here. I want to see if I'm doing anything wrong. All right, include Raylib, include algorithm, include C standard definition, CSTD, and then include standard accept. I'm going to include utility. I'm going to include initializer list. I'm going to include string, and I'm going to include vector. No, I don't want to include vector. Actually, I don't want to include vector. Let me just include C as stream. Where the hell is as stream? And I want to include CMath. Then I'm going to include my heap file. Also, another thing I'm going to include is my colors.htp. All right, that's done. Okay, now let's do some work over here. All right. So in my documentation is re-implementing my vector, my already re-implemented vector, And it also is, oh, I forgot to make my own input field. Hold on, let me just copy and paste this thing. Don't mind me. I'm going to copy this little thing over here. Let me just paste this. Whoop, don't mind me. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Alright. Alright, that's done. Now, let's work in the real thing. So, in my documentation, I already have a UI header file here. And it's to handle the UIs, you know, the things that I don't want to build on my own. I hate UIs. And I have my colors. I'm using Graphbox. Graphbox is the best color scheme. And this is my implementation. Yada. Now let's go inside the main function. So inside main, let's do int main. Whoop. Oh, what the hell? Int main, I want to have a const integer SW. I think this is the window. Yeah, this is the window height. And the window width and the window height. Let's do 680. And then I want to init window. Cool, so cool. SW, comma sh, comma hip. Let's call it hip visualizer. Hip. Hip int. Yep. Let me just delete this. Alright, cool. Then let's do set target FPS. I want to set 60. Yeah, this is a cool thing in Raylib. You can actually do this. So if you know, there's a meme in the internet, saying that in programming, you want to program a game. Oh, just say control is equal to WSD F. Oh, what the hell? Oh shit, man. Control is equal to WSD, and then FPS gonna be equal to 60. Well, this is Raylib. This is literally just Raylib. We have this in Raylib, so cool, easy. Okay, very easy. All right, cool. Now then, let's make our hip, and do int, and I want to say hip. I want to have 4 for our initializer, so I'm going to initialize empty capacity of 4. Then we're going to use vectors. Actually, can I not use slot? Oh, I cannot use slot. Can I not use slot? Do I still have to use that? I don't know. Wait, what is reserve do? What does reserve do? Let me just check my heap. Reserve. Where is reserve? Where is reserve, guys? Where is reserve? Reserve. Okay. So we're okay. Yeah, reserve is just that. Okay, cool. Then vector slot log entry log. Let's have a test. Let's make a heap slots. Oh, by the way, I forgot to hold on. Stack include ui.h pp. Oh, what the hell is include do? Okay, include ui.hpp. I cannot type, man. Oh my lord. Alright. Heap slots. I want to have slots even nothing. Okay, nothing in slots. And heap log entry, which is another type, I guess. Yeah, is it not type? Where's log entry, guys? I think it's on a type. I cannot read this code. Did I miss log entry somewhere? Hold on. Oh yeah, I do miss a log entry. Sorry. I forgot there's you, man. I didn't see you. Let's paste that in. Alright, good. We're all good. Now. We have heap log entry. I think I have declared that log entry here, right? And then let's just call it. What do you call it, man? What do you call it? 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 Something here? What do you call it where's the main function? Heap log entry log. Shit. Log. Let me just yeah, okay, I have that. Okay, so we have log and then auto add log. Okay, we're making a function with that. Shit. Auto add log is going to be equal to going to reference that and constant standard string m comma color c. All right. Okay, we're asking for a string and a color. Okay, then I'm going to log.insert. I'm going to insert log.begin, and I'm going to use m comma c, the message and the color. Cool. How do you know that I have a message and a color? How does it know that I'm using message? Wait, what? Man, oh my god, my linter is so smart. How does it know that I have message? But okay, whatever. Then I'm going to if log.size is more than 12, then I want to log.resize 12. Cool. Auto flash slot. We'll go flash slot. Oh, we're going to flash the slot. Oh yeah, so we're making something. So the design, I think the design will be something like a partition application. Hold on, let me open my paint. What do I use to paint? Drawing? Yeah, drawing. I think drawing. Let me just use my drawing app. Okay, so I think the design will be something like this. And we will have like this partition. And this partition will have this. We'll have this. We'll have this. We have this. So we have partitions. Like the partitions will be element 1, E1, then it will be element 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 7. Oh my god, and 6, right? And then there'll be like some buttons here, and to reset, to clear, I cannot write. Clear. All right, so that would be like buttons to reset and clear, something like that. This will be the design, I guess. It's gonna be like some kind of cool design, I guess, but who knows? All right, so back here, let's go back here and do. Let's go. We type flash slot. Take another reference. That's a pointer. It's not a reference. Shit. Sorry. And let's do size t. Index, comma, color. Now, I have tried Raylib before, and it's actually very great. And yes, Raylib exists in Rust, but I tried in Rust. It's not as it's not as easy as in the C++ or C. Almost as if that it's clunky. Can I record that? Yeah, I can record that. All right. Are we cool with that? Oh yeah, we're cool with that. And I think I still prefer the C or C++ version because, well, it's not as clunky as the Rust version. Perhaps I'm not used to Rust with this C library. Okay, so if that, oh man, it's just type simple ifs like this. Oh my god, my AI is trying to not use that many of flash. Is gonna be equal to what is slots.index slash flash t 10f slots index.sql. Hold on. Slots the index dot scale, not scale, to 125f. Okay, cool. All right, whatever, man. Whatever. Who cares? But yeah, well, the Rust version of Raylib is not that, I don't know, not that great. I can use it to make apps, but it's just not that great, you know. And the other thing is, Rust in general, the packaging in Rust is so fucking broken. Almost every single libraries you found is deprecated to one another. I don't know why, but probably I'm guessing it's probably because, you know, they're statically linked, and unlike C, that dynamic libraries is quite impossible to be, you know, deprecated. Yeah, there's a possibility for that, but it's nothing like Rust. Rust is a pain in the ass when you're talking about dependencies and libraries. Okay, it's a pain in the ass. But C, C++, very nice. Perhaps yes, maybe the distribution of C and C++ is more. It's quite better than. Oh man, I can't get just the dot capacity. So. No, yeah, here. Yeah, so distribution of C and C++ is probably better than Rust, because Rust is still, you know, considered new compared to C and C++. Definitions, libraries like that, easy. C++ can do it. Okay, text field tf value is gonna be comma tf index. Then I want to tf value dot active is equal to true. Don't ask me where I get this. Ask my AI, how did he get this? So the last capacity is going to make an integer of the heap dot capacity. I want to add log. Okay, you heap instantiate with memory. Alright, so we're going to use add log. Logging, guys. We're going to log. Cool, we have logging. Log. That's not how you type, Ian. What the hell? No function. No matching function. Okay, no matching function. Let me just check. Why don't I have add log? I forgot add log, guys. Wait, what? Did I forget add log? It's here. Huh? But it's there. Alright. Hold on. Hold on a minute. Maybe I'm wrong. Probably I'm wrong. I hope I'm wrong, because if I'm right, then fuck, man. Okay, so I'm gonna heap initialized with capacity 4, comma. Okay, the color. Oh yeah, I am wrong, guys. Holy cow, GBX aqua. The same thing here. I'm just going to make it like just heap. Oh, furry hell. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Yeah, very sorry. There. I want to set this to. Oh. Delete. Okay. Use the controls below. Below. Interact. What control? I don't know. Foreground 4. Then let's do a while window should not close. So while window, I did not type. Okay, window should close. Float. There's a dt get frame time. Okay, so I'm going to animate the slots. So if we do 4, wait, U. So let's do. Hold on. Oh man, I lost that dude. Fuck. Float dt is gonna be get frame time. 4, we're gonna use this 4. I will say auto s. Here I'm gonna say my slots. Okay, we can do that because it's just vector. So if s.scale is more than, why don't we just use case? Yeah, why don't we just switch case? Switch s.scale. Scale. Same requires expression of integer type float in front. Okay, we cannot use switch. Alright, okay, so 10f. Okay, so I'm going to use if statements here. So if that, okay, then I'm going to scale minus equal determine times 4. And then if again, I want to say s.scale is less than, not more than, less than 1. S.scale, I want to plus equal? No. S.scale is going to be equal 1. So then if s.flash t is more than 0, I'm going to s.flash t minus equal dt times 2of. And if s.flash t is less than 0, s.flash t is equal to 0. So okay, we're animating the slots. Cool. Now let's do click to toggle fields. Alright, so we're going to trigger some mouse buttons. Alright, cool. So is mouse button pressed? Not down, press. Mouse left button. See, this is so cool, man. Raylib has this features inbuilt. Like man, you don't have to go through so many, unneeded abstractions. Raylib has it already for you, so it's cool. Alright, so if the left mouse button is pressed, I'm going to make a vector2. Oh, vector2 is a Raylib thing, yeah. MP is equal to get mouse position. Now, vector2 is not standard vector, okay? Vector2 is a Raylib type. And I think there's also vector2 in Roblox Studio. If you guys don't use Roblox Studio, man, oh my god, you guys should use it. 10, 500, 128. Okay. Then rectangle RI. What the hell is RI? I don't know. I didn't name it. Not me, man. I'm going to 520, 580, and 28. Okay. This is... Where's the 80? Yep. Oh, I need to do this instead, not that. Alright, that's a tuple. That's not a... We're asking for a... Not a type, not a tuple, okay, not a tuple. Then let's do tf value dot active and say check collection point rectangle. Oh my goodness. Look at that, man. Oh my god. So mp comma rv. That's so cool, man. That's so cool. mp comma rv. Then I'm gonna do the same thing, yeah. Get to the TF index. So, oh, come on. Alright, it's gonna be TF index. It's gonna be index. Then instead of, oh no, that's a wrong one. This is gonna be the TF index dot active. And I will ask for the I. So alright, so this is a rectangle index and rectangle value, guys. That's how we're supposed to read it. Cool. Okay, that's cool. Let's scroll down a bit. Then here I want to say TF value dot update function tf index dot update. Cool. Now then the controls. All right, controls. I think this is gonna be a really long video. It's already 20 minutes in the video. The controls. Let's do int value is gonna be tf value dot value, and int index will be equal to tf index dot value, and the push. So okay, if button, okay, this is whatever this is. Let me just do 4575, 70, 30. If button that, push, a string push. That's not push, that's pussy. Ian, you should not write that. gbx green, gbx bg0. Where's bg0? bg0. All right, I should have done that. Oh my god, man. Inlay hints is so goated, man. Inlay hints. So size t old capacity will be the hip dot capacity. Then hip dot push. I want to push value. Then I want to synchronize slots. And I want to size. I want to make a new size t. The hell is ni? Probably n index. The index of the nth. Then I'm gonna size -1. All right. Then flash slot. I want to ni, gbx green. That's done. And then if the hip dot capacity is not equal to old capacity, then I want to, oh my god, this is a very long shit, man. You guys, I'm gonna copy and paste this shit, man. I am not going to do this on my own. Holy shit. Oh, I don't need this. There's no need for this. There's no need for this. Oh my god. Why do I? Sorry. What? I didn't do that. What the fuck? Oh, look at how long that is. MCAP is a private member. Yeah. Oh yeah. MCAP is it. Private member. I'm going to do capacity. Alright, this is so fucking long, man. Let's do this. Yep. Now much better. Much better actually. And I can read it clearly. That's the good thing. And then let me just put this down here. Yep, we're gonna add log that. Alright, okay, cool, nice. Then I'm going to add log again. And again, I think I'll just gonna copy this log because I don't want to write every single thing, you know. These logs are useless. Oh fuck. This is gonna be the size. I'm gonna hit home. Thank you. Alright, that's done. So that's the if button. Oh, where's the end? Okay, that's the end of line, yeah? The end of the, yep, end of the if statement. Okay, cool. So that's a push. So this is gonna be push. We're going to push a thing. Let's go call it push. Put that. Nope. No, what the, come on, man. Shut the hell up. Then I'm going to make my pop. Scroll down a bit. Oh, by the way, I fixed the scroll in GhostTTY. GhostTTY has a really fast scrolling. It's quite annoying in C++. Oh, I mean in NeoVim. Why did I say C++? Alright, so if button... So we're gonna make a button rectangle R I think I'll make it like 120, 575, 70, 30. And const char. Oh, you know what? Maybe I should just make a rectangle for these buttons, you know. So let's make a, yeah, let's just put it in the variable, you know. So we can make a rectangle push button. I will just put this here. Let me just grab all this stuff. X, hit X on that. Paste it. Oh, shit. Paste it there. And call it push button. Oh, there's a trailing space, and then rectangle again, and then call it pull. Pop button. There's no pull, Ian. There's only pop. Pop button be equal to. Let's make it nice. The pop button will be 420, 575, 90. Oh, that's not this. That's not the button there. 120, 575, 70, 30. Alright, so here I'll just call pop button. Pop button. Then let's call it pop. The message will be pop. And the background color will be GBX red. Where's red. The foreground will be GBX foreground. Alright, it's done. Cool. Oh my god, man. It's so scary. Oh. I think it's time for me to peel these off. Or should I wait for a little more? I'll wait for a little more. It's okay, I can do that. Okay, so if button this, what do I want to do? So the if it is more than 0, yeah? The if hip dot size is more than 0, then I want to flash slot hip dot size -1. The color will be GBX red. It could be gray, but okay, no, it's pop. I think I like it to be gray though. Yeah, let's just see later. And then if, no, that's not if. And then, oh my god, this is a very, and then along, yeah. Let me just copy this whole thing. I don't want to do this, guys. Seriously, I don't want to do this. Hip.data. No, that's not how you call data. It's called data here. Hip.data. Let's do hip.size. Size. -1. Okay, it's either hip.size or hip.index. So wait, here data size. How do I access element access? Oh no, there's something for that. I could use hip add or just use hip like this. Hip like this. See, like this. Easy, okay. And there's no need for dot. Why do I have a dot there? Yep, this is more like it. And again, let me just put it in a new line. This shit is unreadable as fuck, man. Oh my god. Ooh, why would you do this, Claude? This hip.size -1. And then I'll pop. And then hip.pop. Alright, that's cool. That's done. Oh, yep. And else, There's an else, guys. There's an else. Hold on. There's an else. Else is that I want to add log that log pop called on empty array. GBX orange. Controls. Fuck, man. Oh, control V is to record my. Yeah. I got it. Oh my, there's the insert erase move. Oh, there's a lot of stuff to put here. How long am I going to do it? Okay, 35 minutes. There's the button, there's the pop, there's insert. Now let's do insert. Okay, let's do insert. Wait, is that anything else? Yeah. But I think I should peel this off because it's already hard. Hold on. Maybe after insert I will do it. So insert. And then I will say, okay, so if button insert. So what's the button of insert? This rectangle insert button. It'll be 420, 525, 90, 30. If that, and this is the XY or what? I don't know. Probably it's the XY. So if button rectangle all will be the insert button. The const pointer will be the insert. Call it insert. The color, the background color will be GBX. Can I not use blue? A cyan? There's no cyan? No, there's only aqua, so blue. Then the foreground will be foreground. GBX foreground. Sorry, wrong button. Alright, good. So, here we go again with the capacity. Size the alt cap. Gonna be heap dot capacity, and then size the sit x. I don't know what the sit x means. Is it s index? Yes. Size the s index. Gonna be standard min. Oh my god. Int heap dot size, comma max 0, comma the index. Okay, cool. Readable. And then heap dot insert. I want to set x, comma index, or comma value. Where's value? I didn't see value. Value probably somewhere in that deep hell shit. Whatever, man. Who cares? Then I want to synchronize the slots, and I want to flash slot setx, comma the color will be GBX blue. Oh my god. And if heap dot capacity is not equal to alt capacity, I want to do is of course, guys, it's another long ass stuff like this. It'll always be a lot of long ass stuff like this. So then there should be, we should not use mcap, we should use capacity. Shit. Oh my god, look at how unreadable this code is. Oh man, how beautiful C++ really is. But this is just Claude giving the worst code possible, man. It's not my fault. Not C++ fault. And not Raylib fault. Yeah, Raylib, especially Raylib. You cannot blame Raylib. Raylib is the best programming. Oh, no, I mean the best. How do I say this? The best game library in the world. Raylib is so goated, man. Holy goated. And You can't lie if you say you hate Raylib. You cannot lie. You have to be all honest about yourself. You cannot hate Raylib. Add log insert. Huh? Oh, I get it. Oh shit. Oh man, ah. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, sorry. I need to. Fuck you, bro. Holy Christ, man. Alright, okay, go there. Then we are going down. Yep. Very good, very nice. Very readable. Woohoo! We all love loggings. By the way, the indentation's not right. Indentation matters from someone who came from Python. Okay. Let me just pause this. Let me just pause every single one of these. I want to peel this off first, guys. I will peel this face mask off. I will see you guys in roughly a minute. Yeah, I will see you guys in a minute. Hold on a minute. I will see you guys. I did some little program. I did a little programming off camera, guys. Oh no, guys, look at this. Oh, oh, guys. Oh, I did just a little off camera programming. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Fuck. Look at this. Oop, you didn't see anything. Oop, no. And look at that. This is the power of Raylib, guys. Look at this. Look at this thing, man. Look at this. How beautiful that is. Well, comparing it to this, though. Yeah, well, I can't complain, guys. You cannot complain. I have to. Oh shit. Fuck me, man. Yeah, man. Oh, where's it? Let's do this. Oh well, comparing it to this doesn't really make sense at all, but yeah. I'm just comparing it this to this, yeah, you see the difference, right? You see the difference, but okay, I don't mind that. A little off camera programming doesn't mind anything. Boom! That's the power of Raylib, everyone. What a content to have. Wow. Actually, it was not that short. I did make a record. I was recording my audio, but I just realized that my OBS studio is paused. Yeah, man. I don't care again. Hold on, where is it? That's it. Let me just do term and call it oh, we all love Raylib, guys. We all love Raylib. Look at this. Let me just make it. Yeah, we all love Raylib. We all love Raylib, people. Let me just make a face. Funny face. I don't know how that looks, but okay. Yes! Alright, whatever, guys. Thank you for watching. That looks so damn good. Thank you guys for watching this stupid video. This will be the first video that I will edit. This will be the first time I'm editing a video. And I am using a microphone. I'm using my phone for a microphone here. So don't mind me being so loud. Yeah, well, thank you for watching. Raylib is really fun. You could do anything you want in Raylib and make better apps than GTK or Qt. and it works with GTK and Qt too, so just use Raylib. And it works in here in Neri. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.